Those of you who have the Firestorm viewer should have automatically been made a member of their very active in-world support group when you first logged into Second Life, so I'll use this group as the basis of the first demonstration. If the group's chat is not showing on your screen, click Show Chat Bar on the bottom left of the viewer. Then click Nearby Chat and choose Firestorm Support from the tabs to open the chat window. This is where Firestorm users post their issues and volunteer helpers answer them. This support is offered 24/7 and it's a really valuable service. Group chat is a great way for multiple avatars to communicate. It's the same as an IM, but with a few exceptions. Instead of being private, these messages are shared with an entire group, or at least the members who are online and have this message window open. Also, unlike IMs, you can't share items with the group via this chat window, like landmarks. As a member, you're able to post to this group anytime you like. Do make sure you click the specified version so that the supporters know what version of Firestorm you're using. That way they can offer you the best service. In terms of Sledicate, the chat is text only in this group, no voice. Also, this group is for technical guidance, so there's no casual chat allowed. If you'd like to converse directly with an avatar, you click their name in the chat window. I'll choose Zeppelina. You open their profile, choose IM, and then you can send them a private message. I don't actually know this avatar, so I won't do that now. To stop receiving a group's chat messages, you have two options. The first is to click the upper X in the right corner of the chat window to minimise it. The chat will still be posting in the background, but you won't see it. The second is to click the lower X to close and disable the chat altogether while you're logged in. Now let's have a look at the group's profile. To do that from the chat window, you click the profile item up here at the top. And there we have it. It's opened the Firestorm Support English group profile. You have a bit of a description at the top and a list of member names you can scroll through if you want to. And then down here you have My Group Settings. These are quite important. There are three options here. Show in My Profile displays this group membership in your own profile, which is quite handy so others know that you're a member of this group. The second is to receive group notices, and the third is to receive group IMs. These can be turned off, but we suggest you have all three on while you're learning Firestorm and Second Life. If we look up at the Notices tab, you'll see that there's a list of messages that have been sent to the entire group recently. You can click on those to change them. Most of these happen to be on classes, but there are various messages that you'll get. This one's about a class that was run on April the 13th. And if you drop down here, it's got an attachment. If we click on that, you'll discover that the attachment was a landmark. So if you wanted to go to that class, you just click the teleport button on the landmark to zap to the location. I'll close all this off and show you how you can access groups a different way using your name tag. If I right-click my name tag and choose Groups from the pie menu, all the groups I belong to will show up. Click on a group name to highlight it, and then click Info to open the group's profile window. Or click IM Call to open the group's chat window. Another thing you can do is activate. Activate refers to making a group active. I'll change my group tag now by clicking Activate. There you go. Before it said SL Educate, but now my group tag shows as I got Firestormed. That means the Firestorm group is now active. You'll need to change or activate your group tag sometimes because they can give you special permissions. For example, entry to a group-only event or access to group-only gift boxes. That's about all for now, I think. Hopefully you've got a better understanding of how groups work.